Oh, hi! Welcome back to our vegan channel. We're so happy that you're here for Veganuary. Let's celebrate Veganuary together. And Aldi said, okay, we're in on it. Let's throw you some vegan products that we don't normally have to celebrate. So,
let's just get a quick
get a nice overview. Here.
Wow.
Obviously,
not this.
Yeah. Obviously, this isn't all of the things that are vegan at Aldi.
No.
These are just the things that we bought. They had a lot more like fake meats and stuff like that, but we're really trying to cut down on our consumption of fake meats and processed foods in general. But this is what we got today, and they had some nice stuff that's unfortunately probably only going to be fleeting. A lot of these things won't survive after January, February-ish. I mean, obviously, they'll always have Brussels sprouts. We'll always have Brussels.
Baby.
And we'll always have lettuce and pineapple.
Well, take us through it before you spoil everything.
Okay. All right. Well, let's begin over here with the produce. Salads, of course. Maddie's favorite is this Asian chopped salad kit. She really loves the wonton strips in there, and she tolerates the salad.
No, I love it all. Well, actually, I don't eat the dressing, but
right.
I love it.
We've got Brussels sprouts because we love to do some nice roast Brussels sprouts this time of year, and honestly, we do it all year round. Mm-hmm. We love it so much. Even in the dead of summer, we turn on the oven to do the Brussels sprouts because we'll sacrifice the heat to have our Brussels. Some lettuce. I would eat salad 3 times a day if I could.
This is the sweet butter.
Yeah. I'm really getting tired of the spring mix.
Yeah.
It's not my thing, and the romaine is so iffy right now. I don't know what to do anymore. Let me know what you guys do if you love salad and you love romaine in particular. What do you do? What do you substitute? They had butternut squash and they had sweet potatoes steamed, but since I buy my sweet potatoes fresh, butternut squash is kind of a pain in the ass to have to deal with, so I just got some frozen. It's so hard to peel. It's hard to chop without cutting your hand off, so I'm just like, let me just get some frozen. I love these sprays. This one is a coconut avocado with safflower blend spray for high heat. I prefer using these, like even in the air fryer. This is good, like if you want to spray the top of the food so that it gets a little bit crispy and not look, pasty. This is great for stuff like that. They also had different blends. I believe they had straight up avocado oil, and they might have even had olive oil. I'm not sure on that one. Here's the not so great stuff.
You didn't want to finish this while we're over here?
I got a pineapple and some vanilla extract.
We're always buying that.
Yeah. But here's some not so healthy stuff. We ended up getting 2 different types of chicken nuggets. Oh, I see what the difference is here. One is chicken nuggets, and one is chicken tenders.
Yeah, I think the breading's a little bit different, too.
The breading and the shape is a little bit different, but this is probably geared more towards kids as well, and this is more for, like, adults. Like kids like the nuggets, and adults like tenders. How tender. Love me tender. All right, this is the first time I remember them having the non-dairy chobani at Aldi. Honestly, it was 10 cents more than the expensive store by my house, but I just bought it for this video. I said, you know what? I'll just spend the extra 20 cents so I can throw it in the video.
Big spender over here.
Hey, big spender! All right, so this is new for Veganuary, the Bada Bean, Bada Boom. We've got 3 different flavors here. Not cheap. I believe this was like 3 and change per package. We got sea salt, mesquite barbecue, and sweet sriracha.
And what is it?
It's a bean snack. So basically they take a bean and put a little bit of a coating on it and bake it. So, I mean, it's not horrible. It's got some beans, obviously. Oil, not great. Rice flour, seasonings, a little bit of sugar. Not the greatest thing in the world, but probably better than having chips, because at least you're getting a little protein in there. So we got 3 to choose from. Oh, I'm going here first.
Okay.
All right, we've got Just Egg, kids. Made from plants, not chickens. We were planning on having this for Christmas breakfast, but when I went to the store and it was $9.25, I said,
nope.
That's not going to be a Merry Christmas if I spend $9.25 on one of these. So they had it for $6.99. Much better than $9.25. So we got 2 of them. They don't last that long. This one is only good for the next month. So
we're going to be having some egg Sammys this weekend. Yes.
All right. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Then these Loma Linda packages. I believe this is just like an instant meal. You just pop this in the microwave for 60 seconds, and we got some pad thai with konjac noodles. Not the biggest fan of konjac noodles, but they made this gluten-free, so they couldn't use, wheat noodles, and the regular noodles probably wouldn't be, they wouldn't stand up that long in the sauce in the package, so they went with konjac. Then we've got a chipotle bowl here.
Yum.
Pretty self-explanatory, and some taco filling, so you can use that to make tacos.
Nice.
Taco night. These were also, I believe these were 2 and change, like under $3. So that's not horrible. I like Loma Linda. My sister had her transplant surgery there, so it's got a place in my heart. Plus, Loma Linda is a blue zone. People in that zone live very long because they're vegan. And the Loma Linda Hospital only serves vegan food, so it's a pretty cool place.
Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Lots and lots of crackers. So we've got butternut squash crackers in sea salt and cinnamon brown sugar. Both vegan, both gluten-free.
I love bringing those to D&D. It's a nice little snack.
It is. We've got brown rice crackers, roasted red pepper. All of these are vegan and gluten-free, by the way. Peppercorn and tomato and basil. So obviously the other vegan products that they have are like potato chips and all kinds of produce. And they have the mozzarella cheese that's from Aldi.
They have a lot of other faux meats too, but we're
trying to stay away from that, and a lot of them are not gluten-free.
Yeah, this is by no means comprehensive.
No, or healthy.
This is just what we got today.
A lot of this for Veganuary is aimed at making the transition easier for people who want to try out veganism, who want something familiar, and, it's their way of saying, hey, we support. So, there you have it. There's a few things from Aldi for Veganuary. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you go out and check it out and let me know what you picked up at Aldi for Veganuary. I'd love to know. And we'll see you on the next one. So until then, much love.